So the head gasket has failed on the Pontiac. I probably already like it when I bought it, but I now have 4 cars with head gasket problems. The Golf, now the Pontiac, the Midget's held together with steel seal, and the Peugeot also had a head gasket problem that we use steel seal on. So I'm going to try it on the Pontiac. Let's see if it works on an 8-cylinder as well as 4 cylinders. And because I adjusted the carburettor because it was running really rich. It now doesn't like running with a choke. So I'm going to have to sit in there, hold the throttle to warm it up, jump back on because the battery's pretty much dead. So I did notice over the last few weeks actually that while I've been moving the car around, the coolant has been going down. So I did kind of suspect an issue, but yeah, I wasn't expecting head gasket failure. So steel seal, as we've seen in previous videos, it is just a case of pour it into the cold engine and run the engine for about, is it half an hour, 20 minutes? I always forget this bit. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, sorry, idle for 30 minutes, and then let it cool down, top up the coolant, job done. Head gasket fixed. Yeah, let's see. There we go. I have made room in the radiator for this by undoing the drain tap at the bottom. So I'll just chuck the lid back on there, that can go in the bin. And then radiator cap on. And we're good to go. Let's see if we can get it to idle. So I'll just keep my throttle on it for a minute just while she warms up. I'll keep the heater on high, and yeah, I'll come back to you in about half an hour and we'll see whether it's worked. I just thought before I turn it off, I'm going to show you this. So my fan works. I can hear the fan running, which is great because I've never heard that run before. Can you hear the knock? It's very quiet. Ignore the smoke coming out, I know about that, but there's a bit of a knock, which I kind of thought I'd fix with an oil change, and the oil light is on. As soon as you touch the throttle pedal, it goes out, and the knock gets faster. It's a very quiet knock, but it is there. So the engine might need a rebuild anyway. Anyway, that's new. That runs on for a long time. Yeah, so I'm going to let it cool down a bit. I'm going to top her up, do another sniff test. Just need to let it cool down a bit, enough to undo the cap. Right, I've left it a little while. I've got the old head gasket block tester kit ready. I've got a rag just in case there is still a bit of steam in there. Oh, no, that's still a bit pressurized. Oh well, there we go. And that looks really quite manky. See the level going down a bit, that's fine. That's just where it's feeding back to the reservoir. You see it's still smoking a bit, and that's all we need to see if this changes colour. And that's changing colour already. This engine is fucked. Okay, so unfortunately, steel seal doesn't fix every engine. So never mind. I was going to pull this out over Christmas this year. Full tart up, rebuild, repaint. Looks like it might be a bit sooner now. So You can do me something though. Have a look over on my shop. I have hoodies, I have t-shirts. There's this oil leak prevention one, which as you can see I wear all the time. It's pretty worn down from all its washes. There's classic car stuff. There's some stickers. Petrol good, electric bad. So yeah, head over to my shop and buy some merch and help me fund a full rebuild and repaint on that. Thanks for watching.